Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to Media Graphics Beauty. Today I bring you this beautiful fantasy makeup look. It was inspired by the Wigs and Makeup Manager Instagram makeup artist, and let me tell y'all, I thought it was going to be super hard and I really wanted to challenge myself, but I did want to share my progress with you guys and share with you guys how I did it. Honestly, I had no idea what I was doing or how I was going to do it, but I was like, let me just go with it and try my best, and I did. So I hope you guys enjoy it and love it as much as I did at the end. Now for the moths, they're like broken moths, so I had no idea where to get them. I did not want to print them out because I felt like that was like cheating since she drew them, and I went ahead, grabbed like a copy paper and literally drew them and tried my best on coloring them and making it look as similar as I could, and then literally like sticking them on cardboard, cutting them out, and then sticking them on my face after I did all of this. But yeah, I hope you guys love it, enjoy it, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Okay guys, so I know that at this point you guys are looking at the screen like, what is going on? Why she look like a white Teletubby? This does not look cute. This does not look like it's gonna end up well. But trust me, you have to trust the process. You have to have a perfect base before getting a perfect face. So this is how I did it, and then I did set my face with baby powder. I have never done this before, but I've seen it on her page, on the Wigs and Makeup page on Instagram. Now I love her videos, and when I saw that, I was like, I need to try it, and now I freaking love that. Like, you guys need to do this. If you guys are gonna do a crazy look like this, I really recommend using baby powder. And with that said, I also want to let you guys know that everything that I use for this video is going to be linked and written down in the description box, and let's go ahead and continue. For this look, I did use regular painting brushes to get the best details in there. Now you can use any type of brushes that you want, but I do recommend using painting brushes because they are the best. And then I did use the James Charles palette for this look. I was using the color black for the inside of the skull eye, and then I did use the colors blue, yellow, green, and orange, and a little bit of red to match the moths for the other side of the face. Well guys, this completes our look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the whole video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and a little comment down below if you guys loved it, and remember to subscribe to this channel so you guys can keep up with the next couple videos coming up. Remember to stay home and stay safe please, so we can all get out of this quicker, and I'll go ahead and see you guys on our next tutorial. Bye.